In Shelby County, like in most parts of Alabama, the question is whether the state's racist past must forever define it. 50 years ago, Alabama was the center of the civil rights movement. Protesters endured fire hoses, arrests, bombings in the fight for equality. One result was the Voting Rights Act. One provision of the act, Section 5, still requires all or part of 16 states, mostly in the South, to get approval from the Justice Department before changing voting procedures or electoral maps.
Section 5, which is what we're attacking, was never intended by Congress to be permanent.
Shelby County lawyer Frank Ellis is at the heart of the battle to eliminate Section 5 and force the federal government to treat Alabama and other covered states like the rest of the country.
They're still using the same criteria to determine whether these 16 states that are covered, they're still using the same test that they used in 1965.
What's wrong with that?
What's wrong with that? Things have changed in the South. This is a dynamic society.
But Ernest Montgomery says things haven't changed enough. He was on the city council in Calera, Alabama, when city officials, facing a population boom, redrew his district map. He lost the election to a white candidate. But under Section 5, the Justice Department ordered a new election, and Montgomery won.
So what was the minority representation of your district before, under the old map?
Under the old map, District 2 was about a 67% African-American district.
And then under the new map, what happened?
And under the new map, it was diluted down to probably about 27 to 28%.
Shelby County Pastor Harry Jones calls it discrimination.
You think they were redrawing that district to keep African Americans off that city council?
I think it was designed to delete the power of the minority community, right? And it did just that.
And that's why Jones is defending Section 5. But opponents like Ellis say they're not attacking the entire Voting Rights Act. If there's intentional discrimination, Scott, people could still sue, just like they do in Ohio and other states that aren't covered by Section 5.
Jan, thanks very much.